What do 6,055 executive registrations reveal about enterprise AI? First, they reveal something more useful than another survey headline. AI buying is becoming a leadership decision before it becomes a disciplined operating system. This is Open Future Forum's own first-party data, collected through the application flow for 15 executive events between April 22nd and July 30th, 2026. It covers 6,055 unique registrations and 5,311 unique guests, deduplicated by email. That does not mean 6,055 executives answered every question. The detailed findings come from smaller, clearly stated response groups, and this is a selective executive community, not a probability sample of every enterprise. But as a map of what senior operators are seeing right now, the patterns are hard to ignore. The first is that AI authority is moving upward. In the finance room data, the CEO was the most named signer of a new AI purchase, at 44% of 115 responses. In a separate group of 245 investors, 51% said the CEO increasingly owns the AI buying decision across their portfolios. Different audiences, different questions, the same direction. The second pattern is that authority is becoming clearer while the economics are becoming less clear. Among finance respondents, the share saying there was no clear AI budget rose from 23% to 34% during July. Proving return on investment remained the top blocker, named by 51%. So companies are getting more confident about who can approve AI while becoming less certain about where the money comes from and how quickly it pays back. The third pattern is the gap between deployment and governance. 81% of respondents in the marketing and growth rooms were already past the exploration stage with agentic AI. At the same time, 58% of security leaders named agent security as their top problem, while only 36% said they had a dedicated AI security budget. The adoption is moving faster than the control system around it, but the most counterintuitive finding is this: every executive seat tends to believe it owns the decision. CEO respondents overwhelmingly named the CEO. Finance respondents most often named finance. Technology respondents most often named technology. And while no CEO respondent reported an unowned AI purchase decision, 29% of technology respondents did. The ownership vacuum is most visible to the people trying to make the technology work, and least visible from the top. I'm Murray Newlands, partner at IASV Seed Ventures and founder of Open Future Forum. My practical takeaway is simple. Before approving an AI project, name 5 things: the executive sponsor, the budget owner, the operating owner, the security boundary, and the business metric. If one of those is missing, the company may have approval without accountability. The data does not say enterprise AI is slowing down. It says the buying decision is consolidating faster than the operating discipline beneath it. Inside your company, is AI ownership genuinely clear, or does every executive think the pen is on their desk?